Hello everybody. In this video from my tiny home, I will try to explain to you what the sea billiard is. And here you can see is the table itself, and it's very good size for a home. It's 1 meters one way and 1 meter the other way. And you have a lot of red and black color, we call them discs, and then you have these pucks. You have two of them, and of course you need a cue. Yeah. And sorry, I'll you see I have some books here so that I can place the phone, so I can show you. This is videos is not something that I normally do, but I'll try my best to show you. And you can have 2 people playing, or even 4 people playing, and the aim is to hit all these red ones into these pockets in the corner. So when you start the game, you will try to and you probably saw I got one that got in. But the most fun is that we made a 30-day video training for kids, and this is how I remember how my dad taught me this game, and when I was a little, and actually he still has that old table back at home, and we made it in as fun way as much as possible. And the way we give it to the kids, we send out every day one video that shows what the kids need to practice and how they need to set up the little discs, and then they need to start playing and getting better. I will show you as an example. So here you can see we have this is, as an example, a goalkeeper, and these are the gates. Yeah, and this is the ball that we need to hit into the hole. And I'll show you here if I can actually get it in the hole, in the pocket myself. Hopefully I will. That's it, and the goalkeeper is knocked down. And also we in the very beginning, to take it one step at a time, we do some very basic stuff, like we take this, we tell the kids to build a tower, and all they need to do is, you'll see here where I'm placing the puck, and all they need to do is knock down the tower. Yeah. And then they can build, there are plenty of pucks in a set, totally 16, and we tell them to build 4 of those towers in the first day, and they need to knock them down. And then, oh, one more thing I almost forgot to tell you. Like I said, this game my dad taught me to play, and those are some great memories from the childhood, the time that we spent together. And he didn't let me win all the time, so he was competitive. And we have made also a 10-day training for dads, because you want to be able to teach your kids at some point and get them better. And trust me, those will be some good memories that your children will remember in the years to come. So check out our other videos, and like I said, this is a promotional time. We want to help out families, and we have given some great discounts on the video course, on the kids 30-day video course, and on the sea billiard set itself. So, and oh, did I tell you the 10-day video course for parents, for dads, is included completely for free. On the only thing is we have limited quantity at this price for this C billiard tables. We have 1,000 of those that we can sell at this price. So don't miss your chance. And again, sorry for this home type video, and especially I'm not the video professional in these things, but I hope it was helpful. Take care.